Hello my dear friends, subscribe to my channel if you like to learn these edits and other tutorials.
How to keep a straight face.
I select the main video and then select the photo or video that I want to use as the background. Now I insert the photo or video from the overlay section under the main video.
It's hard to keep smiling.
From the mask section, I select the first one. There is a flash next to it, with which I can erase the border of the photo or video, as you see in the video. After that, I go to the setting and adjust the light and color of the image. In any edit where these settings are different, you should go as far as you can to get the result you want.
You're the one I see.
I went to HSL section and changed the blue color and orange color a little in general. You only have to change the color of your photo or video that you want to change. After that, I darken the color of the video from the curves part to make it more natural.
It's hard to keep smiling when you're closing every door. I'm trying to open. I tell you love you more, and you say it's broken.
I copy the planet video again to create its shadow on the water, and I will put it under the planet video. It became my third layer on the video.
I hate that I love you. If I could, and I would, carve out your heart, carve out your heart.
Then I go to the blend section and set it to dodge.
It's hard to keep smiling when you're closing every door.
After that, from the curves part, I made the shadow color of the planet more natural.
And you say it's broken. You make me weak. You're the one I see. And I hate that I love you. I hate that I love you. If I could, and I would, carve out your heart, carve out your heart. It's hard to keep smiling when you're closing every door.
It is finished. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.
I love you more, and you say it's broken.